So if I were to go around and play this particular video, then it's being played in a certain quality. And if I want to make the playback smoother, let's say for example, then what I can do is I can change around the playback quality as well. So to do that, you need to go around and click on this icon, and over here you can see that playback quality is an option, and right now it's in medium right here. If you were to set it to highest, then the playback quality will be high, but you'll be able to see that it actually freezes out right here because it is playing back in high quality. But if I were to go around onto lowest, then what happens is that it plays in a lower quality right here. And you can see a bunch of jagged lines right here when you're playing that out. You can go around over here onto the playback quality right here, just like this. And then what happens is that you can also set it to automatic right here, just like this. And then what happens is that you can go around and then play this out as well. So if I were to go around and then play this out, then what happens is that it automatically selects out a quality and then plays back as per what is recommended. But you can go around and choose the one you like right here and choose the smoothness that you like. And that is how you can work around with the playback quality inside of Adobe Premiere Elements to preview out your videos in a smoother manner, but by reducing the quality. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.